In this video, we delve into the journey of discovering self-worth amid the quiet beauty of nature. The gentle pitter-patter of raindrops and the expansive, starry night sky form the core visuals that inspire peace and reflection. This narrative is crafted to help you recognize the simple yet profound truth that inner peace and self-love are always within reach. By embracing moments of solitude and quiet contemplation, you learn to appreciate the resilience and strength that reside within you. The imagery of a refreshing rainfall symbolizes renewal and cleansing, offering a metaphor for washing away doubts and fears. Meanwhile, the night sky, vast and filled with sparkling light, reminds us that even in darkness, there is brilliance waiting to be discovered. As you listen, allow yourself to relax and feel uplifted, knowing that every hardship can be transformed into a stepping stone toward personal growth. With heartfelt storytelling and vivid, relatable imagery, this script sets the stage for an empowering experience. Let these words and visuals guide you toward a renewed sense of self, ensuring you understand that feeling good about yourself is both a journey and a destination. Embrace this journey and let your inner light shine bright today. Imagine raindrops softly descending on darkened streets, each drop echoing a quiet melody of calm and renewal. The rhythmic sound of water creates an auditory experience that soothes the soul and invites deep contemplation. As the camera pans slowly across rain-slicked pavements, each glistening surface captures reflections of shimmering city lights and the gentle pulse of nature. Transition to a celestial view where the night sky unfolds its vast tapestry of stars, each one a sparkling reminder of infinite possibilities. The night is not merely dark, it is a canvas that holds the dreams and secrets of countless hearts, offering a silent invitation to pause and reflect on personal journeys. The interplay of soft rainfall and a starry night builds an atmosphere of serene introspection and delicate beauty. Every scene has been thoughtfully composed to blend nature's elegance with a sense of reflective solitude. The falling rain acts as a metaphor for the cleansing of the spirit, washing away remnants of pain and doubt, while the night sky encourages hope and renewed energy. Throughout the visuals, gentle transitions merge imagery with carefully selected background music that amplifies the feeling of peaceful solitude. Viewers are invited to appreciate these natural elements as powerful symbols of transformation and self-renewal. The intentional use of light and shadow, contrasted against the softness of the rain, heightens the emotional impact of each moment, ensuring that every element contributes meaningfully to a narrative of healing and inner strength. Every visual detail has been selected with care to evoke deep emotions and spark a sense of wonder. The calm drizzle and luminous night sky join together, crafting a moment of reflective serenity that envelops the viewer in a comforting embrace of natural beauty. Nature whispers its timeless secrets, empowering viewers to cherish every peaceful, quiet moment completely. Once upon a quiet evening, in the midst of a gentle rain, a solitary wanderer paused along a deserted street, searching for the small spark of hope within. Every step felt weighted with memories of past struggles, yet also carried a subtle promise of renewal. As the rain eased into a soft drizzle, the wanderer recalled moments of quiet triumph, the times when even a single kind thought lifted them when darkness had prevailed. Reflecting on these memories, the journey became more than a mere passage through the city. It was a profound exploration of self-acceptance and the delicate beauty of vulnerability. The gentle patter of rainfall mingled with the rhythm of the wanderer's heart, echoing lessons learned through both hardship and joy. In a nearby park, beneath a sheltering oak, the wanderer found solace, drawing inspiration from the interplay of raindrops and starlight filtering through the branches. In that sacred space, every drop of rain carried whispers of encouragement, reminding them that rebirth follows every storm. A realization unfolded. Just as nature renews itself, so too could they embrace a fresh start filled with compassion and resilience. The night sky, adorned with countless stars, seemed to narrate a silent story of endless potential and undiscovered dreams. Even in solitude, the wanderer discovered that self-worth is not a destination, but a continuous journey of small, courageous steps. Each reflective moment was a reminder of every lesson learned and every challenge overcome. As time passed and the rain subsided, a sense of profound calm replaced the inner tempest. The wanderer acknowledged that every tear shed in hardship had contributed to the strength demonstrated now. In that transformative moment, the convergence of rain, night, and introspection forged a renewed belief in self. The journey continued, now poised with the certainty that every experience, no matter how challenging, carries within it the seed of healing and growth. In the quiet aftermath, hope blossomed quietly, inviting a future filled with unwavering strength and gentle self-love. With each new step along the misty path, the wanderer grew more connected to their inner narrative. The soft cadence of the rain became a reminder of personal resilience and the beauty of transformation. Every raindrop and every star whispered messages of acceptance, urging the wanderer to embrace imperfections and celebrate the journey towards self-realization. In the gentle quiet of that night, healing began, and the soul shone with renewed vigor indeed. Throughout our journey, it is essential to pause and embrace the wisdom encapsulated in uplifting quotes and heartfelt affirmations. Every storm runs out of rain reminds us that challenges are temporary and hope is eternal. As the night embraces us with its quiet illumination, consider the affirmation, I am capable, I am resilient. These words are not merely expressions, they are mantras that invite us to unlock the hidden reservoirs of strength within. Another quote that resonates deeply is, in the midst of darkness, a single star shines brightly. This imagery invites us to see our inner light even when life's circumstances appear bleak. Furthermore, reflect on the affirmation, I deserve love and kindness from myself and others. This powerful statement reinforces the notion that self-care and self-compassion are vital to our well-being, serving as guiding principles on our journey towards self-improvement. When faced with moments of self-doubt, remember the phrase, rise above and shine like the stars. Let these words echo in your mind during quiet moments, as they serve as a reminder that every experience, both joyful and challenging, contributes to your growth. Celebrate small victories and use them as stepping stones toward a healthier, happier self. Embrace the notion that every setback is a setup for a major comeback, and let your inner voice affirm, I am strong. I am enough. I am unstoppable. Let the rhythmic patter of rain and the serene night sky become a backdrop for these affirmations. Feel the energy of each word as it melds with the natural visuals, creating a symphony of hope and encouragement. Every positive statement is a building block for resilience and emotional recovery. As you internalize these uplifting messages, allow them to remind you of your inherent worth and capacity for transformation. Finally, hold close the belief that each day offers a new beginning. With each sunrise or the gentle glow of moonlight, commit to the practice of self-growth by echoing, I am evolving, and every moment counts. Through these quotes and affirmations, you are reminded that the journey towards self-love is illuminated by the soft glow of promise and the reassuring whisper of nature. Every uplifting word and glowing affirmation acts as a beacon, lighting the path through darkness. Embrace each message fully, knowing that inner peace and growth blossom with time and compassionate self-belief. Let hope and enduring strength guide you through every single day. In summary, the visuals of gentle rain and an expansive night sky have guided us on a journey of self-discovery and renewal. The personal narrative shared through this video underscores that each challenge faced is a stepping stone towards inner strength. Reflecting on the universal truth that every storm eventually clears, it becomes clear that self-worth is cultivated in the quiet moments of introspection and healing. As the soft rainfall washes away past struggles, the twinkling stars remind us of the enduring light within our souls. Embracing these symbols, we understand that every day presents an opportunity to evolve and nurture our inner well-being. Through the blend of natural imagery and heartfelt words, the script invites viewers to find solace and tranquility and motivation in every drop of rain, every glimmer of starlight. Carry this message forward, remembering that self-love is both a gift and a journey. Feel the connection between nature and your emotions, and let it empower you towards a life filled with balance and optimism. May these final words serve as a quiet call to cherish yourself, as each new moment is a chance to begin again with fresh hope. Embrace today and trust your inner magic. If this journey has resonated within you, take a moment to reflect on the gentle whispers of your heart. Allow the images of persistent rain and the everlasting night sky to remind you that renewal and hope are always present. Share your personal experiences in the comments so that together we may create a community defined by understanding, resilience, and growth. Let these reflections serve as a beacon that lights your path during challenging times. Embrace every small victory and let each new day be an opportunity to celebrate who you truly are. Carry this message forward and revisit these moments whenever you seek inspiration. Allow the subtle echoes of nature's beauty to uplift you even when the world feels overwhelming. Our journey together is a testament to the strength and potential that lies within every one of us. May these visuals and words guide you in moments of solitude and joy. Take a deep breath and step forward with confidence. Remember, your inner light shines bright, and every step you take brings you closer to a life of fulfillment and endless possibility. Embrace this journey, share your story, and let hope lead every step forward. Stay inspired, everyone.